Welcome to this lightingsupply.com product detail video. Today we will be looking at the 14-watt 48-inch T8 linear LED direct wire glass tube from Satco. DLC and UL listed, this glass LED tube also meets the necessary efficiency standards to make it a California-compliant light tube, making it a suitable replacement if you need to replace tubes that are no longer in compliance with those standards. With double-ended wiring and a medium Bipin G13 base, this tube has a wattage of 14 watts and a voltage range of 120 to 277 volts. Giving off 1800 lumens of light and possessing a Kelvin temperature of 5000, this 48-inch glass LED tube has a color rendering index of 82, displaying a daylight color tone. This color tone makes any room feel bright and alert and allows for exact coloration, making this Satco LED glass tube perfect for use in art galleries, museums, jewelry stores, medical exam rooms, and printing stores. You can order this product from Satco and hundreds of thousands of other lighting products at lightingsupply.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get notified when new videos are posted every week.